Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to update Instagram app, and now let's dive right in. Now to update Instagram app, first open up your Play Store on your phone. And from over here guys, in order to update our Instagram app, we'll be required to search for it. To do that, at the top of the screen you can see the search bar. Tap on it and search for Instagram and search for it. And over here guys, after searching for Instagram, you can see I have currently the open button available on Instagram. And if there was an update button on the Instagram instead of the open, then the Instagram app on my phone would have required an update. But guys, my phone's Instagram is up to date, that's why there is showing the open button. And in your case, if there is an update button instead of the open button, then you will be required to tap on it and update it. And with that being said guys, this is how to update Instagram on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.